Do you struggle to get real-time project overview without switching between projects too many times and wish you could just manage them all in just one page? Well, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Peter. Managing multiple projects at the same time can be overwhelming. But what if I tell you there's a way to simplify this? Introducing User Story Map by ProdductGo for Jira. Here's how. You need an Agile board beforehand. To create an Agile board, first go to your Jira dashboard and choose Search and Find Boards. Here, select Create Boards and choose the option Scrum Board. Go to the existing project option and choose the projects you want to use and location. And voila, you have your Agile board. Now that you have created your own Agile board, let's take it up a notch and enhance it with ProdductGo. Here is where ProdductGo can help your project and task management. Directly on the story map, you can create goals, epics, and stories. Everything is intuitive, just drag and drop. And the best part? All the issues you created are all integrated and linked to their own projects, keeping everything neatly organized. Managing your releases by Swimlanes has never been easier. With ProdductGo, you can view and manage all in one place. Need to create a new release? Creating new releases for a specific project is just a few clicks away. This level of control and visibility, game-changing. You see, managing multiple Agile projects doesn't have to be a headache. With ProdductGo, you can achieve the clarity and control within a friendly interface needed to drive the projects forward. Thank you for joining me today. It's your turn to explore ProdductGo and transform your project management experience.